I know by now a lot of you are already good at making beats, making songs, but let's be honest, most of you don't have the budget to create crazy visuals. You can create a good vibe, a fire track, but without a strong visual behind it, it just sit there, doesn't really go anywhere. But what if I told you there's a tool that can turn your beat, your song into full visual in minutes? Let me show you this. As a producer, engineers like Afrobeat, Amapiano, or even hip hop, visuals are everything right now. It's not only about how your tracks sound anymore, but it's about how it's look online. And this is where I started experimenting with an AI tool called Freebeat AI. Freebeat is basically an AI tool that can turn your beat, your song into a full music video automatically. All you have to do is upload your track and it's actually listen to the beat, the energy, the drop, the structure, and then builds visuals around it for you. It handles everything, the scene, the transitions, the timings, all synced to your music. So instead of just posting your audio, you can instantly turn it into a full visual, like a music video, a visualizer, a lyric video, or even content for social media without having to edit anything yourself. If you're a producer, artist, or creator trying to level up your visual, I will leave the link in the description box so you can try it out. When you go on Freebeat AI, this is where it takes you. You have singing, which one is gonna be a lip sync video, you have storytelling, abstract, viral shot, on beat effect, and more. Let's just click on upload files so we can create what we want to create. Let's click on add music. You can use one of the songs that they have in the catalog, or you can use one of your track. And also, if you create something with Suno, you can pass it here, SoundCloud, YouTube. Let me use one of the track that I used recently, and let's go for 15 seconds. To make sure to have some consistency in your character, you can just upload your own. For the aspect ratio, you can go 16:9. This is what we're using today because we are creating this for YouTube. If you create something for social media, you can go 9:16. And let's select 1080p as our resolution. And for the style, we're gonna go photorealistic. Let's try to describe what we want. Sexy woman walking on the beach at sunset, golden hour, boom. Okay, tap to accept. Okay, I accept the suggestion. And guys, if there is something specific that you wanna add, just add it. We are gonna turn this one into private, and then once we are done, we can change it to public so anybody can go and then see our video. So let's click on create, keep it private, and create. Boom. I might just add a stopwatch to see how long this is gonna take. Okay, done with style and framework. Guys, it's not generating some images. Here's the character. Look nice. Okay, good. Nice. I think this is nice. Okay, we have a good character. And let's click on continue. Okay, good. Oh, now we have the scene planning that is done. We just click on continue. One thing that is crazy with that, you just sit back there, enjoy content or doing something else, and then every time one of the process is done, you just click continue if you like it. Okay guys, now they ask me to confirm something. Here is the estimate cost to generate storyboard images, and this is gonna cost an extra 80 credit. So there's no problem. Let's click on continue. You have to make sure that you read everything. Now it's creating this storyboard, and then after it's gonna generating the video clips and then merge everything. Yeah, that means we are almost done. Let's clean on the scene to see what's happening. They give you the idea of each scene. Continue. I think confirm and continue. Okay, the video clip are going to be generated, but this take extra 175 credit. Oh damn, it's already done. Click on continue. Now we are at the merge step. I think that's the last step where it merging the 7 video clips that has been generated, and we have no failure. That's good. Also, this polls, your project is now fully rendered and ready to review. Okay, let's play to see. I'll see. Nice, nice. That's nice. But guys, you can see that for 15 seconds, it takes 22 minutes to generate this, guys. You have to be a little bit patient, add more to your prompt, add specific stuff to your prompt just to get the result that you want. Myself, I just go and then the AI give me some suggestion for the prompt. You can just go and then create a full prompt, take some time on it, and then try to generate exactly what you want. You know what? I am gonna use that visual for this beat when I drop it on YouTube. I think it's gonna be fire. Now I want to know, do you think AI generated music video can actually replace traditional video production for independent artists, or is it just a new tool in the workflow? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one.